There are many supplements out there that all kind of claim to really help you build muscle, build strength, enhance your recovery, and all the different things that you want to look for when you're in the gym training and wanting to overall just improve your health and improve your physique. But there is no supplement out there that's more proven, more effective, and most importantly, more safe than creatine, which is what makes creatine the most effective supplement for you to look for when you're really looking for the results of wanting to increase your muscle mass, your strength, and your overall performance in the gym. Creatine is a molecule that is stored in your skeletal muscle in your body, and as you begin to elevate your creatine levels with supplementing it, it is going to allow your muscles to produce more energy, because creatine is going to send more ATP, which is the energy molecule in your body that's going to, in turn, going to help you perform a lot better. It's going to help you lift a lot stronger, and it's going to keep your muscles fatiguing slower, and it's going to also be able to help you maximize your recovery as well, which is what gives creatine such great results when you're trying to get your body stronger, when you're trying to build more muscle in the gym. Supplementing creatine can be a huge advantage to your training as well, because of all the different supplements out there, protein, BCAAs, EAAs, beta alanine, all these different ones that you can go down the list and name. Creatine is one of those specific molecules and nutrients that your body and muscles need to perform that it's very hard to get an adequate amount of in your actual diet. Creatine is found in like a lot of red meat, specifically steak. Steak is a high quality red meat that has a high amount of creatine in it. But in order for you to be able to get an adequate amount, that is going to be a lot of red meat that you would have to eat, which in turn can really harm you from a health standpoint. So that's why supplementing creatine is something that could be really effective to you, because it is something that's going to be hard to get in your regular diet, and to be able to supplement it in a way that's going to be healthier and safer for you while still giving you the results you want makes creatine a good supplement to go to that actually makes sense as well as far as a dollar standpoint and an investment standpoint. So that's just a little bit about creatine, man, the advantages of it, some of the results that I've seen from it. If you're somebody that's been on the fence about whether or not they want to take creatine, I will tell you for sure, if you are taking and looking for a supplement specifically to help you build more power, build more strength, and increase your muscle mass, creatine is going to give you those results, and it's been backed by so many different studies to be both effective and safe for you in the long term, as well as it being natural as well, because it is a natural molecule that your body produces. So if you are somebody that's looking to stay on the natural route, creatine is going to absolutely help you do that. So hope this video helped. Hope this video helped give you a little bit more insight on creatine and make a better buying decision as you're continuing to work on your physique and work on your goals. If you guys have any questions, comment, or feedback, or really enjoyed or even disliked some of the things said in the content, definitely be sure to respond by hitting the thumbs up, leaving a comment, asking any questions. Would love to engage more with you guys. Definitely be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification as well, as I'll always be uploading new content every week to try to help you guys, really maximize the most out of your body and just overall, maximize your health and your physique in your life. We only have one life to live, so we might as well honor our temple, get the most out of our bodies, get the most out of our training. So if you guys are with me, you guys are on this journey, would love for you guys to subscribe and hang in there with me. And of course, I can never leave you guys without saying that, the best way to honor our temples and the best way to make the most out of this life and out of our body is to always give our lives and give ourselves to God and our life to Him. We can make the most out of our health and out of our body, but the best way to maximize this one life, I believe, is to partner in life with God. He wants a relationship with you. I know it is so important, because in everything that you guys are wanting to accomplish, the foundation of health, fitness, and your faith, and establishing that with a relationship with God is going to take you guys to wherever you want to go. So I can never leave without telling you guys that and encourage you to push for that. And again, I'm with you guys in this journey. I believe in every single one of you, and I hope that you guys take this journey with me. So definitely thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.